Welcome back. Great thing about our tutorials is they're often timeless, meaning the advice given in the videos will still be valuable years later. So here's the list of 3 YouTube channels that were creating pixel art content in the past but have stopped since. First one is Mort. He did wonderful pixel art tutorials in the past. Unfortunately, he stopped doing so and started to go into 3D, even though he did cover some pixel art 3D lectures. But nonetheless, he was one of the first YouTubers to start showing pixel art content. He does have this cheerful, very vibrant and cute style that I think any beginner or intermediate artist can still learn from. Second channel would be Pixel Overload. He did very great tutorials in the past, and you can easily recognize his style with his very green color palette, as you can obviously see right here. Though he is no longer active as much, occasionally I hope to see his videos more and perhaps he'll pop up more in the future, so please be sure to follow him along. And the last channel on the list is Heartbeast, and Benjamin, who is holding this channel. He did wonderful pixel art tutorials, and like Mort, he was one of the first YouTubers to do so. Later on, he started to focus more on the game development, but as you can see, he has a plethora of tutorials, and all of these are a great source of material to learn from, especially if you're a beginner, because pixel art is often used in games, and he also is creating games. This is why his content is very useful, because he has that context of using his pixel art directly into his games. The reason why he's on this list is, even though he is still active, he is no longer creating tutorials about pixel art and is focusing solely on game development. But the good thing is that he's focusing on Godot game engine, which is becoming very popular in the recent times. So yeah, this is also another point of interest if you are looking to become an indie game developer. In my previous video, I mentioned the beginner-friendly YouTube channel, so if you want to check that video out, be sure to click it. And in the next video, I will cover the 3 best intermediate pixel art YouTube channels. That's all for now. As always, relax, enjoy, and have fun.